Hindi niya nata maintindihan ang issue eh. Never akong gumamit ng tao, Mr. Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. So ang nakakagulat na desisyon ni former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao, na ikinagulat ni Chavez Singson. Marami kasi ang napaisip sa post ng pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Ayon sa post niya, 8 Division sitting here wondering, was it enough? Kung atin i-analyze ang pahayag sa post ng pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ay tila malinaw na hindi pa ito kuntinto at hindi pa niya tinatapos ang boxing career niya sa 8 World Division Champion lang dahil nangangahulugan na ang post niya ay gusto pa niya itong dagdagan at muling sasabak sa ibabaw ng boxing ring, para makapagbigay pa ng dagdag karangalan sa bansang Pilipinas. Alam naman natin na ang plano ng bansang Japan sa pamamagitan ni Naoya Inoue ay burahin ang record ni Manny Pacquiao at higitan ito. Kaya bago mangyari yun ay nagdesisyon si Manny Pacquiao na lumaban muli para madagdagan ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang World Division title champion. Para hindi na ito mahigitin pa ng kung sino man, dahil kaya pa naman lumaban ng lakas sa lakas itong si Manny Pacquiao at hindi pa ito masyadong matanda, kaya sasamantalahin na niya ang pagkakataon na siya ay malakas pa. Kung maalala nyo taon 2021 ay nag-anunsyo na itong si Manny Pacquiao ng kanyang retirement sa pagiging boksingero. Ngunit talagang mahal ni Manny Pacquiao ang boxing sports dahil muli itong lumaban taon 2022 kontra Taekeo, isang Korean martial art fighter. At taon kasalukuyan ay nilabanan naman ang napakalaking kickboxer fighter na si Ricky Anpo. Handa pa ring magbigay ng karangalan sa bansang Pilipinas itong si Manny Pacquiao kahit na may edad na itong 47 years old ay talagang gustong-gusto pa ito lumaban. Hindi rin maiwasan ng karamihan ang mag-alala dahil ang mga makakalaban nito ay mga bata pa at nasa kalakasan pa ang mga ito, samantala si Manny Pacquiao ay pahina na ng pahina. Ngunit marami naman ang nagsasabi at naniniwala sa lakas at kakayanan ni Manny Pacquiao at gusto pa ng karamihan na isa pang laban dahil hindi pa naman siya ganun katanda at kaina. Alam naman natin na hindi na masigla ang Philippine boxing dahil halos karamihan ng ating mga pambato ay tinalo na ng mga Hapon, kaya gusto ni Manny Pacquiao na muling ibalik ang sigla ng Philippine boxing, at magtala ng world record breaking bilang isang 9 or 10 division title. Kaya ating balikan ang kanyang mga naging hirap na laban ni Manny Pacquiao para maabot niya ang 8 division world champion. Number 8, taon 2010 kinalaban ni Manny Pacquiao si Antonio Margarito para sa WBC Junior Middleweight title.
Parang David at Goliath, halos 5 pulgada po ang lamang ni Margarito. Super welterweight champion belt na maglalagay sa kanya sa kasaysayan bilang tanging boksingero na naging world champion sa 8 weight division.
Pacquiao trying to get inside and go to the body. And Emmanuel Stewart right now, many years in cannot. I see the size difference. It's a big fight this fight. That's right there. But speed belongs to Pacquiao. Yes. Delectable experience perhaps for Margarito. Fights the action. Pacquiao hits him front with a big left hand. And then strong. They have to be fit on that ring. And he's beating Margarito up with this round. It's a huge weapon to Margarito's right eye. Spirit is something to behold. I can't look athleticism to make Margarito shave off the beard. There's nothing that they would have done. Pacquiao said, leave it there. I want to use it as a target. That's a fighter.
Number 7, taon 2009 na kinalaban ni Manny Pacquiao si Miguel Cotto para sa WBO welterweight title.
As the challenger, ladies and gentlemen, from General Santos City, Philippines, the Pac-Man, Manny Pacquiao! Junior welterweight world champion, the reigning and defending two-time welterweight champion of the world, Miguel Angel Cotto!
What I say, you must obey. Good luck, punch him up. Pacquiao's face as Manny was rushing in. Manny landed a little right hook in there. The right hook starts flowing. The right jab. Getting more damage to the training. And then it's going to rope to let Cotto throw, thinking he can counter him with something big. Now it's Cotto's back to get to him. And he fights it for him. Miguel Cotto's father, Miguel Cotto Sr., wanted to stop the fight. Who's in the corner, including head trainer Joe Santiago.
Number 6, taon 2009 na Manny Pacman Pacquiao vs Ricky Hatton para sa Lineal Junior Lightweight title.
Self at all times, and when I say you must obey, good luck. Touch up.
Very aggressive. That's awesome.
Great right hand. Down goes
The punch is still Pacquiao.
Oh, Pacquiao stuns Hatton, knocked it back.
Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Number 5, Manny Pacquiao vs David Diaz para sa WBC Lightweight title.
So something that he can and he seems to love it. That's been his pet punch so far. But
His only response is to answer and try to do more damage. That's what he's trying to do. He won't take no for an answer. Hard right hand by Pacquiao. Marquez has won 4 rounds. That's how good he is.
such a volume of language, he's mixing up, and that's why it's hard for him to stop the punches because
He wasn't as fast as Armando Santacruz. He somehow got that done.
Number 4, taon 2008, Manny Pacquiao vs Juan Manuel Marquez para sa Super Featherweight title.
change back and forth from the trainer.
Down goes Marquez on a straight left-hand shot. Manny Pacquiao. You got to give him an extra point for that knockdown. Pacquiao trying to search and destroy. Marquez trying to shock him with counterpunching athlete. Just an amazing athletic specimen. The speed, the power,
There's a build up now. He's shooting his missile.
Look at this. Nevada's medical supervision is the best. They trade shots. That 1 point for
Number 3, taon 2003, Manny Pacquiao vs Marco Antonio Barrera.
the left hand. Barrera reaches out and goes to the body with both hands.
Then I like to point out that
He doesn't see it coming, or he just can't cope with its speed.
Has come out with a determined rally.
and Pacquiao runs out of gas a few rounds later, Pacquiao's going to be in trouble. But if this stays right here,
Hard left hand. It gets wet from sweat. There's no question.
This fight there is perceived as Ali's freight.
Barrera with left hands. Marco's hanging in now, getting 3 chances to counter with the left hook, but taking a lot of leather to do it. Barrera, it'd probably be better to call him the poker-faced assassin. He never shows emotion in the ring. Big combination by Barrera.
seems to just still look a little too slow. Even when he's punching, he doesn't seem to have the speed that he once had.
1,000. Not like this.
No. It's probably a market sometimes. But Pacquiao,
Another hard left.
he's very vulnerable for straight left.
This is where Julio Cesar Chavez.
Hard right hand by Pacquiao. Barrera just trying to stay reckless, and Barrera takes advantage. What a fight! But Pacquiao's body punches.
4 or 5 of them, 6 in the last 30 seconds.
Pacquiao scraping Barrera now.
Punch. And what's the interesting, there's another bad hit, but Pacquiao came back
To
so
the right. Big punches from Pacquiao.
One of the
and you're going to have to keep fighting them back when they make that move. If you slow down, you'll lose the fight off. That's why those guys win a lot of
There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off.
He's got Barrera's corner. Barrera's corner man is up on the opening. He's going to step.
Number 2, taon 2001, Manny Pacquiao vs Lelo Ledwaba para naman sa IBF Super Bantamweight title.
Guy from the Philippines, guy from South Africa, giving us.
He's also told his fighter, don't follow Ledwaba around. Cup hasn't yet found the right offense to go behind that.
That's what Pacquiao's got to do. Keep throwing the shot, Pacquiao. Keep the punching on. You can't allow this.
There are so many southpaw cuties in the lower weight classes. There aren't that many southpaw punchers with mustard. Pacquiao is fun to watch. Boom! Mercy.
He's been caught by surprise. He's a good fighter. He had no idea.
Pacquiao may take care of it.
There's a weariness and almost a resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
Yeah, Joe Cortez, who takes a good fighter.
Number 1, taon 1998, Manny Pacquiao vs. Chatchay Sasakul para sa WBC World Flyweight title.
回りますとすごい打ち合い、おーと右、非常に激しい打ち合いが展開されています。左か右、しかし打ち合いというよりもパッキャオは右のストレート、チャンピオンのインになりました。飛び込んでいきました。いいカウンター入っても一瞬動きが止まっただけですからね。ボールの感じ全然。第8ラウンドです。左か右、このボディブローカー左、また前進を始めました。左か右ワンツー、右から左帰っていきます。チャッチャイ、左のストレート、おっと交代します。左のストレートヒットしました。当たり方浅かったですけどね。そうですか。右ボディブロー、十分押されてますよ。左ストレートダウン取りました。立ち上がれるか、チャッチャイ、ダメです。
ตัวท่านกรรมการบรูเนอร์นะครับเขาสิริก็นำไปอยู่ทางถึง10ของเราก็
Ano sa tingin nyo guys, kakayanin pa kaya ni Manny Pacquiao makipagsabayan sa mga bata niyang makakalaban? Just comment down below. This is Winsworld TV, saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi. Okay, alright. Dagdag pa sa ating mga balita. Alam naman ng karamihan na si Masayuki Ito ng Treasure Boxing Promotion. Ang nangako na magbibigay ito na malalaking laban kay John Riel Casimero. Patungo sa landas at pangarap ni former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero na makalaban sa ibabaw ng boxing ring itong si current undisputed and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster. Sa balitang ito ay marami ang magbabago ng paniniwala na akala ng karamihan ay tinutulungan itong si John Riel Casimero. Ngunit tinutulak pala ito papunta sa bangin para mahulog, at tuluyan ang mawala sa landas ni Naoya Inoue. Ngunit bigo silang gawin ito kay Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero, dahil sa taglay nitong kakaibang estilo at lakas sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Marami kasing mga Pinoy at mga solid na taga-suporta ni John Riel Casimero ang naniniwala na maikasa ni Masayuki Ito ang labanan sa pagitan ni John Riel Casimero aka Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas kontra Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster. Ngunit sa hindi malaman na dahilan ay wala naman itong naibigay na malalaking laban itong Treasure Boxing Promotion sa pangunguna ni Masayuki Ito kay John Riel Casimero. Dahil ang binigay ni Masayuki Ito na laban dito kay Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero ay puro maliit na laban lang, dahil lahat ng binigay ni Masayuki Ito na mga laban kay Casimero ay hindi naman magpapataas sa pag-angat nito sa rangkang. Ang mga laban na binigay ni Masayuki Ito kay Casimero: Casimero vs. Raya Akaho, Casimero vs. Filipas Nitumbua, Casimero vs. Yukinuri Ugoni, at ang pinakahuli na naging kalaban ni John Riel Casimero ay si Saul Sanchez, na kung saan sa maikling oras pa lang ng round 1 ay tumilapon na ang ulo ni Saul Sanchez, dahilan ng kanyang pagkatalo.
Casimeroの左が火を吹いた。2度目に匹敵するものを見せなくてはいけない両者、ジョン・リエル・カシメロ vs サウル・チャンス・サンチェス。10回戦が始まりました。まずは第1ラウンド、カシメロのコンディションも心配されるんですけれども、さあ、いきなりいった、ぐらついた、しかし右を入れた、手をついたかどうだ、ダウンか、ダウンです。サンチェスもいいカウンターあったんですけどね、勝った後に。
いやさすがカシメロ、こういう曲ありますね。
いきなりだ、まだ30秒経っていません。まずはダウンを奪ったのはジョン・リエル・カシメロ。少し落ち着くか。いや、まだ効いている、まだ効いている。
今のクリンチャー、サンチェスうまかったですね。
2度目のダウンは思いっきり効かされました。残りは30秒。左を返した。
合わせにいってますね。
カシメロがまた来た。このラウンドどうでしょう。しのげるか。あ、止めた。
Kung inyo pong napapansin na lahat ng inihain ni Masayuki Ito dito kay John Riel Casimero ay lahat yun ay nakapaloob lang sa Treasure Boxing Promotion. Ito ang pinaka-latest na laban ni John Riel Casimero na ihinain ni Masayuki Ito dito kay John Riel Casimero. Ang laban niya kontra Saul Sanchez, na hindi rin naman magpapataas sa rangkang ni Casimero. Kaya marami ang nagdududa dito kay Masayuki Ito, na ang kanyang plano talaga niya dito kay John Riel Casimero ay hindi pagtulong. Kundi ito ay pabagsakin si John Riel Casimero at mawala na ito sa line-up sa posibleng makakalaban ni Naoya Inoue. Nakikita din ng mga boxing fans na isa itong si Masayuki Ito sa posibleng maging mastermind sa pagsira kay Team Casimero. In short, gusto ni Masayuki Ito na pabagsakin si John Riel Casimero. Habang si John Riel Casimero naman ay walang kaalam-alam na sinasaksak na siya patalikod ng kanyang pinagkakatiwalaang boss na walang iba kundi si Masayuki Ito ng Treasure Boxing Promotion. Ano sa tingin nyo guys, isa ba sa posibleng sumira kay Cuadro alas John Riel Casimero itong si Masayuki Ito? Just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Winsworld TV saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi. Okay, alright.